JDCap26 here, just do Tipsy and Pearson Hobbies. I'm going to show you how to drag and drop a picture or a folder or whatever. Okay, we just opened up my documents up here, right hand corner. And what you want to do is you want to hold your mouse button down on the left, which I have it set for. You may have set on the right with the mouse button. And you just want to pull this down like this. I'm using my left mouse button, and you hold it down like that, and you pull it out, you drop it like that, and that's how you drag and drop. And hold it down again with your left mouse button, and then put it back, and there it is again. That's how you do a drag and drop. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and please rate and subscribe. Thank you.